Good morning, buddy. You got the zoomies first thing? What are you doing? You got the zoomies? Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. Right now it is 8:15 a.m. on Sunday. I know it's a little bit early, but we do have plans today, so no sleeping in. I'm also in a bit of a rush, so we're gonna be doing this get ready with me very quickly. Today, Alan and I, along with his family, are going to the CNE downtown Toronto. This is something that happens in Ontario, but honestly, if you're Canadian, I think you would know what this is. This year, it is celebrating 145 years of this exhibition. It's called the Canadian National Exhibition, aka the CNE. It's like a huge highlight here in Ontario for summer. It's kind of bittersweet because like it's something to look forward to every single year. It's like a huge fair and like huge exhibition. There's so much going on, but at the same time, when it does roll around every year, it's kind of a reality check because it always happens the last 2 weeks of August, so it's kind of like the end of summer before going back to school. So it's definitely bittersweet. Alan and I are going to be taking the train down. The one we want to leave on is at 9:10, so that's why I'm in a bit of a rush because we don't want to miss it. It's about 50 to 55 minute train ride, and the CNE opens at 10, so we kind of want to be there when it opens. There's just literally so much to do, and it is supposed to rain this afternoon, so we want to try and get done as much as we can before that happens. We've been talking about going for like a week or so, but we just like weren't 100% sure because of the weather. And then last night it said like it was a 35% chance and it was gonna happen later in the afternoon, so we were like, we'll just risk it and go. I don't want to be distracted because I do got to get a move on. Still need to pick an outfit and fix my hair, so I'm gonna finish everything else off of camera. I'll show you guys my outfit before I go though. We're in a rush, so I'm quickly showing you my outfit. Honestly, I changed like 10 times. I'm going all black. I want to be comfy. I got this little black top from Target when I went to Buffalo, and then these black like little dress pants, and then I got some sandals on. I'm gonna bring my fanny pack so I can bring you guys my Summer Fridays lip balm, my wallet, and that kind of stuff. It's 8:52, so we gotta run to the train. Loud in here. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but we got here pretty much like right at 10:10. We got in, we came straight to the food court because we didn't have breakfast, so we're gonna be eating. I got a breakfast sandwich, so it has cheddar cheese, female bacon, a fried egg, lettuce, tomato, and mayo. Alan got a cheeseburger from this place, Bub's Badass Burgers. I don't know why it doesn't want to focus on that, but they're just making it right now, and then we're gonna eat. Literally as soon as we walked in, we were already getting hustled to buy or to get a Visa credit card. It is 6 p.m. and I just got home from work. Your girl is exhausted. When we got home from the CNE yesterday, I could literally do nothing. We were there for probably 9 hours total. We did 20,000 steps. Both mine and Alan's legs and feet were so friggin' sore. I took an Epsom salt bath and I went straight to bed. Straight to bed because I was pooped. I am still so exhausted today from it, and I had to go into the office, so your girl's just tired. But I'm finally home and I just got 2 packages in, so we're gonna quickly open them together. First one is from Muscle Nation. Now I showed you guys this in another vlog and I told you that I was getting this set in blue. It is so friggin' stunning. Again, this is new Muscle Nation Seamless that is launching sometime in September. I don't have the total specifics at the moment of me filming this, but it is so good, just so good. And then for my second package, this one I'm really excited for. I got sent this by Level8. They're a storefront on Amazon. They sent me a 20-inch carry-on luggage, and I'm so excited. You guys know I love to travel, and I've always used like handheld bags for my carry-on. I've never actually had like a personal carry-on luggage, so I'm extremely excited. It is pretty big, the box, so let's open her up. So first thoughts, I love the packaging. It says Level8 and it has a little handle on it, which is great. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna back up a little bit so you guys can see. It has like a cover. Oh my god. Wow, this is so light. So it has this really nice bag covering it. Oh, wow, this is so nice. Oh my god, look how sleek and beautiful that looks. So it says Level8. It has 4 spinner wheels. It is so lightweight. Oh my goodness. I'll show you guys a little bit of a close-up on it. This is super nice. It got the wheels. Very nice. Obviously it has the like holding handle, but it also has this handle. So you can whoop, 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 whoop. It also does have a dual handle, so one on the side as well. And on the top, it does have a TSA approved lock, which is really nice. The zipper feels really good. Just overall, the quality feels really good so far. Let's open it up. Okay, nice. I love suitcases that have these, obviously. Well, actually, not all of them do. My current one does it. Does it? No, it doesn't. But I love when they have these little things, so you just zip it open, throw everything in. This one has obviously a big pocket to open the entire thing, but then it also does have 2 smaller pockets here, so if you want to throw in random things, a pair of flip-flops or whatever, you can. I already said this, but you guys know I love to travel. I don't know when the next time we're gonna be traveling, but I'm assuming we're probably gonna go away before the end of the year. We tend to go away twice a year. We already went away in April, so we're due for our second trip of the year. This, so nice. 20 inches from Level8. I got the black. It does come in 5 other colors, I believe. I just double checked. It does come in 5 other colors. So it comes in gray, a dark blue, green, white, and pink. I definitely will keep you guys updated the next time we travel, how much I like it, but I feel like I'm gonna like it a lot. I also really do appreciate this little bag that it came in, because I live in a condo, so this is going in my storage unit. So I like that the bag is around it so it doesn't get damaged or anything while it's in storage. If you guys are looking for a new carry-on luggage, I will put the link for this one in the description box below. So I always get in these like little moods where I want to give to like the homeless. I see them a lot, you know, getting off the highway, just like on the side of the road or whatever, even in the summertime, like it's so hot outside and they're out there dying of heat. So I was just cleaning up, and honestly I came across some things that like Alan and I haven't been really eating or drinking, so I figured instead of wasting them, I am going to put them in little baggies, and I like to keep them in my car so whenever I come across them I can just give it to them. I was thinking about doing this a few days ago because I was at a red light literally right beside a homeless person the other day, and what did I give him? I can't even remember. Do you remember what I gave him?
Your power bar.
Yeah, I gave him like a power bar or something. That's literally all I had. So yeah, I just like doing something nice. So I just have a bunch of random stuff. I have a bunch of Body Armor drinks. Body Armor sent me these, but they sent me so many of them. Like, I'm not gonna drink them all. So I have 5 of those. I have 5 of these like Fiber One bars. I have these Quaker granola bars, and then I have these like little fruit bars that I'm gonna put in, so like one of those in each. And then I just have some random goodies like Pop-Tarts and then some Smart Sweets left over, so I'm gonna throw those in also. So since I'm putting drinks in, I need like the bigger Ziploc bags, otherwise I could probably use the sandwich ones. You can buy them at the dollar store, it's not that big of a deal. And I'm just going to zip it up like so. So it just looks something like that. 5 little baggies. I will bring these to my car the next time I go in, and like I said, I'll just keep them in the back seat, and when I come across a homeless person, I'll give them one of these. Generally, I do it around like Christmas time for sure every year, but I'm just feeling in the mood. The last time I did this was a few months ago, so if you're seeing this, I highly encourage you to, you know, do something like this yourself, because it's helping somebody else. You're not throwing out your food, so it's going somewhere. And 3, it will make you feel better, and it will make somebody else feel better, somebody who's in need. So yeah, that's my little heartfelt thing. I like doing it, so. Hello you guys, happy Tuesday. As you can see, I am in the middle of getting ready. I am doing my hair. You're gonna have to bear with me today because I am vlogging on my phone. I'm so frustrated because out of all days, like today, I really wanted to vlog nice things on my nice camera because today is Alan and I's 2nd wedding anniversary. I literally can't believe it. This past 2 years flew by. It went by so quickly. So that's what I'm getting ready for right now, because we're gonna go out for dinner. He's on his way home from work. But I've been having issues with my SD card for quite some time now. And then yesterday, I recorded that unboxing for the luggage that I showed you guys. And I went to go put my, like, the footage on my laptop when I went to bed, just because I wanted it on my laptop and it was out of the way so that I could start editing it today. I don't know how I did this, but when I was done, I took the SD card out of my laptop and I put it on top of my laptop, and then, you know, I did my work, whatever, and then when I was putting my laptop away, I shut it, and it was like the SD card was in the crevice and I forgot it was there. So when I shut it, it pretty much like broke in half. Today I went to Walmart because I was like, oh, I'll just go walk over to Walmart and I'll buy a new one. They didn't have the one that I needed, so I had to order it on Amazon and it's coming tomorrow. So for today, I need to vlog on my phone. I already did some makeup right now. As you can see, obviously I'm curling my hair. Alan should be home in like 30 minutes and we have a reservation at the Keg for 6:30. I genuinely cannot believe 2 years has already flown by. Like literally this time last year, we were celebrating our 1st wedding anniversary in Vegas, which literally doesn't feel like that long ago. And then a year before that, we were like celebrating getting married. Like literally this time 2 years ago, we were like heading to the hall, or like we were at the hall greeting people before we had dinner. Like it's so freaking crazy. I'm going to quickly finish my hair and then I will show you guys my outfit. This is the outfit for dinner. So this off the shoulder long sleeve is from Garage. And then this like flowy maxi skirt is from Amazon. And then I'm just wearing these capri sandals from, you can buy them on Amazon, but I got mine from Target. So just a cute little outfit. Honestly, it is August 20th and it is literally like 17 degrees outside, maybe not even. Like, I don't know what has been going on the past couple of days. It has been so cold, but later this week it's gonna go back up to 30. It's just so weird. So that's why I'm kind of going with the long sleeve, kind of covered look, kind of still summery. Hubby is home from work. He just got changed. Now we're gonna go to the Keg. Look at these beautiful flowers that he got me. This one big rose in the middle is stunning. And the card says, "To my wife, you're still the one," and it has butterflies on it. So it's literally perfect. Oh my freaking god, has today ever been crazy? So I told you guys yesterday I bought a new SD card, which thankfully I am using right now. Hopefully you can tell by the quality I'm back on my camera. But this morning I realized that I bought the wrong size. So the one that I previously had was 256 gigabytes. I know that is a lot, but honestly, as somebody who vlogs and also travels and vlogs, having a lot of gigabytes is really good because I don't have to worry about storage, especially when I'm away. And for some reason, the one on Amazon I bought was like whatever, I don't know what it is, 152 gigabytes, 158 gigabytes, something like that. And this morning Alan was like, no, I think you should return it and get the bigger size that you already have. And I was like, you know what, you're right. So this is the journey of everything that happened. I obviously don't have a car. I've told you guys this before. Alan and I share a car. He's at work. So I had to ride my bike to Best Buy, which is maybe like 10-15 minutes. I bought this SD card, the 256 gigabytes from there. I also did go to Dollarama. I had to pick up a few things like hot glue and some birthday cards. When I was on the way back, there is this vegan donut shop called Bloomers here in Burlington, and I've always wanted to try it, but I just never have. So I figured when I was riding my bike home, I would. So I got 2 donuts, 1 cinnamon sugar and 1 mango coconut fritter. I don't know, the girl said it was really good. I'm gonna try that with you in a second. I was pretty much almost home when I got an email from my condo security saying that a package came for me, and I knew it was the SD card that I ordered from Amazon. So I came home, I went to security, I picked up that package, and I didn't even open it. I took it straight to Staples and returned it. That way I can get the money back for that one as quickly as possible since I put money towards this one. I wanna show you guys this donut. Oh my god, it's huge. Alan is plain Jane. He just likes, you know, cinnamon, but I saw this. I love mango, I love coconut, so we're gonna give this a try. Wow, that is fabulous. I definitely wish it was more mango flavor, but the coconut's really good. The donut itself, oh my god, so good. I actually think I would give that like a 9 out of 10. I also did get a package from Helimix. I'm going to open it up. It's a new color that's launching today, actually. So by the time you're seeing this video, you can actually buy this color, and you can use my code Kayla. It saves you some money. So their black color does really well. So they made this like graphite gray one. It's actually so nice and sleek. I know Alan's gonna love this. There's 2 sizes, the 20 ounce and the 28 ounce. And again, my code Kayla saves you some money. Oh, so sleepy. So me and Kobe are just in bed. He's literally like KO'd, so funny. I actually just finished editing all of this video and I am in the middle of watching Lost. My hair is also crazy, don't mind me, but this show is so old, and I watched it before when I was on TV, but I never finished it, and I've always over the years thought about how I needed to find it and watch it again. And I don't know why last night when I was in bed, I'm trying to fall asleep and it just randomly came to my head. I don't know if you guys do this, but I just always think about the most random things when I'm trying to sleep. And I thought about Lost, and I couldn't go to bed without Googling it. So I went on my phone, I Googled it, and it said as of July 2024, it's on Netflix. And I was like, oh my god. Usually that means it's on Netflix in the US. So I was like, I gotta see if it's on Netflix Canada, and it is. So I just started it. Well, I'm already on episode 3. I've been playing it in the background as I've been editing, and I'm so excited to finish this show. I don't remember what I got to before. I think like season 4 or 5 at least, but I never finished it, at least not that I can remember, because I don't remember how it ended. Therefore, I'm very excited. I think for the rest of the afternoon, I'm just gonna hang out, and this video is getting pretty long, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to me down below. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.